Hello and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. Today is day 21 and I am drawing lips today. So for this I am using Faber Castel pencil, the 2B, 4B and 6B and some of the erasers like the Kohi-noor pencil eraser and Tombo mono eraser. And for blending I will be using a simple makeup brush which I generally use in my drawings. So let's get started. For base layer shading, I am using 2B pencil and I am just putting all the shades very close to each other, all the lines which are very close to each other so that I can blend it properly. So after doing base layer of shading, I am just blending it with the help of a makeup brush. And it is very light, the pressure is very light and I'm just giving a proper smooth structure over here. And then using the 4B pencil I'll do the next layer of shading, which will be in a similar fashion as I did for the base layer. So if you go layer by layer, automatically the natural the color comes automatically. So that's why it's always a good practice to go layer by layer. Now I will be giving some highlights to give it a little depth. So here I am using Tombo mono eraser and there are a few areas in the lips which I am just highlighting. So to create the fine lines on the lips I am using 2B pencil. You can just put some random lines using the 2B pencil to provide that skin texture in the lips. So now let's draw the side lips and it is very easy. Even for side lips, I'm using same set of pencil as I mentioned at the start of the video. So yeah, and also the technique is similar. So this drawing took me a couple of hours to finish. Here I've tried to put everything within 6 to 7 minutes so that you will have a full view, and if you want you can slow down the video playback speed and then you can watch it. So now I'm creating some fine lines in the lips, which basically shows how our skin looks on the lips. So you might have seen some fine lines are there in the lips, which gives a realistic look. So for that you can use 2B pencil and just draw 1 or 2 or 3 lines with the irregular distance to give it a natural look. So I had drawn one more lips, but I couldn't add this in this video. Otherwise, this video would have been very long. That's why I've not put it over here. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.